YouTube channel, and this is John's YouTube channel. So subscribe to both of us. No, you go first. No, you go. Okay.
I'm gonna vlog you, I'll vlog you, and you vlog me.
Alright, so, hold up.
Say it loud.
Now you try to roast me, be like, that's not happening. Be like, I'm about to kill you. Be like, you're about to feel it. Be like, this is not for real. Be like, yeah, it is, yeah. Be like, bro, I just roasted you. You're gonna have to die. When I look into your eye, I see a tear of cry. Be like, bro, what
Yo, Hawke!
are you doing here? You're about to freaking
Oh, he just keep going.
Alcoholic, drink that beer, be like, yeet.
You go, Hawke.
You were done. I'm gonna walk away, have some fun. Okay? It's my turn, bro. Okay.
Yep.
Turn it up.
What song? There's no
Look
song.
at your hair. You gonna have ugly now. Hit me gonna shirt. You don't have a shirt. You don't look at. But you got no word play. You just playing the freak around. I'll be coming up to town, be like, pop, pop, pop. You done.
Yo, at least I have the Gucci gang up in my place. Yeah, Hawke, you got roasted.
I got roasted, guys.
Yo, you got roasted. Here, take your video.
I got roasted.
Here.
I got.
Yo, he got roasted. Yo. Woo, at least you're on my gang.
I got roasted by the Gucci gang. Hey, I'll give it to you though. You need practice. You need practice.
Yeah. Hey, at least you tried, Hawke. Hawke, at least you tried. Come here.
Hey,
Pound it. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it, Hawke.
Bro, okay.
Pound it.
Pound it, boy. I'm watching my own YouTube. What the one
Yo.
where you just got
Yeah. Oh.
roasted?
Woo.
Wait, that's not how we do it.
Gucci.
Okay. All right, let's see.
Yo, who wants to go for a ride? Come on, guys.
Hold on, we're watching the right now.
Why are you just watching on our videos? Yo, want to see our mascot? Gucci gang mascot. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. She's our Gucci gang mascot. She the best. When we start making merch, she get the monies. She gonna be a rich doggy. But yeah, she's awesome. Then up there in that treehouse, the fort up there, that's our Gucci gang. That's the Gooch office. Really dope. There's nothing in it, but it's still cool. We actually have an office for our videos. Bella, it's okay. But let's go for a ride, guys. Come on, let's go ride. My knee hurts. I keep hitting it. Bruised. Flipping hurts. See right there. Wait till I start making my dumpster diving videos.
John, he's never gonna come back from that.
No, you won't.
That's a scar for life.
Yeah. We gonna do a ride around?
We ride right now?
We gonna ride around?
I don't know if I can.
Yo, I have to be home. See ya. I have to go home.
Why?
Cause I have to go home and eat. I have,
When are you gonna come back?
I don't know, after this.
Okay.
Well, see, you wanna come with me?
Oh, I'm not allowed.
You don't even wanna come up? Bob! I'm gonna come back. Gucci life out. Peace. Love you all, family.